The next airdrop we're going to do is ENOD. You're going to click on the Telegram bot link. I've already done some of this. I've had to redo this video. So you're going to pop this up. You're going to hit start. Start campaign. Check history. So we've already joined the groups up here that it's asked for when it comes through. So it says join group, join channel. You're going to join group and join channel. And then we'll have a click me button down here that you click. You're going to click that. And then it's going to ask for the pinned tweet. So you're going to click on this. You're going to hit open. So you're going to follow this. And then next, you're going to come down here. And you're going to hit a like. You're going to retweet the post right here. You're going to click this down. You're going to go over to your Twitter. You're going to go to your profile on Twitter. You're going to come down here, click on the pinned tweet that you sent out, and you're going to go up top here, copy and paste the URL of this pinned tweet right here. Then you're going to take it, you're going to go back to the Telegram bot. You're going to pop this into your Telegram bot, just like that. And post that in. Now it's asking for your Ethereum address. You're going to copy and paste that in here. So just get your Ethereum address, copy and paste that in. Hit the button here. It's going to show your balance. What's this? Shows how many tokens you've earned. It's going to have a referral link here you can send out to friends as well. And that's the end of this airdrop. And we'll be on to the next one. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We've got lots of airdrops coming up. And just give a quick like on our video. Thank you.